In the troubled times of the mid-20th century, a grim specter loomed over the world, poliomyelitis, or polio, a crippling and sometimes fatal viral disease. Children were the most vulnerable, their lives irrevocably altered by this silent invader. The fear it instilled was palpable, the uncertainty unbearable. The year was 1952, and the epidemic was at its peak. In the United States alone, over 58,000 cases were reported, with nearly 3,000 deaths. The nation was in a state of crisis, desperate for a solution. Enter Dr. Jonas Salk, a humble yet brilliant virologist at the University of Pittsburgh. He was a man driven by an unyielding determination to conquer this modern plague. His groundbreaking research had led him to develop a new vaccine, a beacon of hope in the face of despair. The vaccine was an invention born from painstaking effort and relentless dedication. Dr. Salk and his team had spent years working tirelessly to understand the poliovirus, its mutations, and its behavior. They had developed a vaccine that would stimulate the body's immune system to fight the virus, offering a shield against this insidious enemy. The moment of truth arrived in 1954. The vaccine was tested on over 1 million children in a historic experiment known as the polio vaccine trial. The stakes were high, the tension palpable. Would the vaccine work? Would it save countless lives? The results were astounding. The vaccine proved to be remarkably effective, reducing polio cases by an impressive 95%. The nation breathed a collective sigh of relief. The polio vaccine, as it came to be known, was a miracle, a testament to the power of science and the human spirit. The vaccine was rolled out nationwide in 1955. The impact was immediate and profound. By 1962, polio was declared eradicated from the United States. The vaccine had not only saved countless lives but had also given hope to a world gripped by fear. The polio vaccine was more than just a medical breakthrough. It was a symbol of progress, a triumph over adversity. It marked a turning point in the history of medicine, a step forward in the endless march towards a healthier, safer world. The legacy of Dr. Jonas Salk and his team lives on, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of mankind.